Welcome to our guide on trade pricing at ifndautoparts. Whether you're a mechanic searching for exclusive deals, a workshop manager seeking bulk discounts, a professional looking to save on essential parts, or a seller wanting to offer special rates, trade pricing has you covered. What is trade pricing? Trade pricing is a feature designed to offer exclusive discounts on car parts for business account holders. For business buyers, this means accessing special rates from sellers who offer trade pricing, and for business sellers, it's a great way to attract new business buyers and also retain loyal customers. For buyers, if you're a business buyer, you'll need to have a verified business account to access trade pricing. Once logged in, look for listings marked with a green triangle featuring a T. This symbol means that trade pricing is applied to the listing, and it's as simple as that. Simply add your items to the cart and check out. Keep in mind that not all sellers offer trade pricing, so if you don't see the green triangle icon, it means trade pricing isn't available for that listing. For sellers, as a seller, you'll also need a business account to offer trade pricing. There are two ways that you can apply trade pricing. You can set a bulk discount across all listings or manage them individually. Let's start with bulk pricing. To apply a bulk discount, go to My Account in the top header bar and select Inventory. Click Enable next to the trade pricing flag. A pop-up will appear where you can enter your discount percentage. Once you've set the amount, click Apply to All and trade pricing will be activated across all of your listings. The discount you've applied will show in the top right-hand corner of the screen. To adjust the discount, just click the edit icon next to the percentage amount and update your rate. Now let's take a look how to apply discounts to individual listings. To edit trade pricing on a single listing, go to the inventory page and find the listing you want to update. Click More Options, then select Edit. In the listing details, navigate to the Pricing tab and toggle on the Trade Pricing button. A new field will appear where you can enter the discount percentage. After setting the discount, click Publish Changes to save your updates. To confirm your discount has been applied, head back to the inventory page and check the trade price column or view the listing. On that app, trade pricing can only be applied to individual listings. To do this, log into your account, tap Menu, then select Inventory. Find the listing you want to update and tap the More Options button, followed by Edit. In the Pricing tab, toggle the Trade Pricing button on and enter the discount percentage. Once set, tap Publish Changes to save. Once trade pricing is set, business buyers will see the green triangle on your listings, attracting more buyers who are looking for discounted rates. Whether you're buying or selling, trade pricing offers valuable advantages that can transform how you do business. Are you ready to make the most of trade pricing?